5 most beautiful and luxurious villas in the world. Today, we are going to look at the most beautiful and luxurious villas in the world and why you should visit them. Hello viewers, welcome to Exponential Luxuries, a place of exploring luxurious and financial horizons. Let's jump right into it. Over Yonder Cay, Bahamas. Ever been to the Caribbean islands in the Bahamas? If not, then Over Yonder Cay should be your next stop. It is equipped with 4 individually designed villas on the island, each positioned to take full advantage of the breathtaking views, sunrise, sunset, and sea breeze. Swimming makes us all relax. Over Yonder Cay has infinity pools, jacuzzis, and private beaches. The villa also has private alfresco dining and lounging and comfortable, fully air-conditioned living spaces for you to relax with your family on those days when you feel like you just want to chill. In today's generation, internet is everything, and this villa has got you covered as it has Wi-Fi and iPads. Each villa has satellite TVs, a kaleidoscope of entertainment library, and Creston AV control system to enable you to watch all the movies you want with your family and make your stay as memorable as possible. The main villa, Meridian House, has 4 en-suite bedrooms, sleeping 8 guests. It forms the highest point on the island with mind-blowing views of the Exumas. West Sand is located to the main beach and has 4 bedrooms, 2 of which share a single bathroom. East Cove overlooks the eastern beach and sleeps 8 guests across the way from West Sands. South Point is a suite on the southern peninsula surrounded on 2 sides by the sea. It caters to 6 people with 3 bedrooms, 2 of which share a bathroom. Activities on the villa can be both on land or at sea. Over Yonder Cay offers the West Beach Club, which is a 9-hole par 3 golf course, a flood-lit tennis course as well, and it also has a beach volleyball court and 2 fully equipped fitness centers to cater to sports fans. Guests also have full access to island boats, equipment, and water sports toys like crude motorboats for fishing, scuba diving, snorkeling, and excursions to nearby islands and yachts. Fishing is also available and diving trips can be organized. Château de Villette. It is one of the most remarkable chateaux in France, and it is classified as a historic landmark since 1942 by the French government. It is set in a woodland park with 2 lakes, a magnificent cascade fountain, a glass house, and orange grove. It has incredible lavish interiors. The chateau has 7 luxurious suites in the main chateau, each designed individually by the renowned interior decorator Jacques Garcia. There is a living area of 27,000 square feet, which includes a pool, tennis, and a chapel. The main chateau has 10 deluxe bedrooms, all with private bathrooms, and the West Wing building has 5 bedrooms, all with bathrooms as well. The rooms are also fitted with amazing artwork on the wall. There is also an additional suite in the West Wing, which consists of 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom, and 1 sitting room. A total of 16 bedrooms, 8 featuring king-size beds, and the other half are queen-size, provide spacious sleeping quarters. With its amazing features, Chateau has been the sanctuary for many celebrities, like Tom Cruise. The rooms are fitted with air conditioning and audio hi-fi music player to help in relaxation. The kitchen is also fully furnished and has outdoor cooking facilities for barbecues. There is internet access all around the chateau, high-end security, where a security manager in attendance ensures privacy and security. The bathrooms have bathroom accessories, including blow dryers, toiletries, and clean towels. For added security, every room has a safe where one can program their own password. There is a massive swimming pool, which is heated and covered. A wine cellar is available for fresh drinks, champagne, and all kinds of bourbon. Laundry facilities are available, there's a telephone in each room, and transportation is available on request. Grand weddings can be carried out in this villa. It is also the perfect villa for getaways and honeymoons. Ooh la la! Finca Cortesín, Malaga, Spain. It is a boutique development composed of 16 high-end villas situated on the prestigious Finca Cortesín Golf and Country Club in Cáceres on the Costa del Sol. It has a unique resort of 215 hectares of land near the picturesque mountain village of Cáceres, known far beyond its borders for its exclusive lifestyle and sophisticated clientele. In addition to the renowned golf course, there is an outstanding spa and sports facilities and also a stylish beach club. Each of the 16 villas alongside the golf course are unique. Each villa has its own style and identity. All luxury villas have in common a private pool with lavishly planted garden, exceptional construction quality, and luxury finishing, as well as spectacular views over the golf course to the sea. Each villa sits on individual gated plots of up to 2,183 square meters with interior areas of up to 725 square meters. There are 3 different designs with a choice of 5 or 6 bedrooms with large living areas. All 5 of the bedrooms are en suite with living rooms with 5.5-meter high ceilings, modern kitchens fully fitted and equipped with the most up-to-date domestic appliances, and there are also generous domestic staff quarters. 2 bedrooms have king-size beds and are en suite and have in-room safes. 3 bedrooms are twin-bedded, each with an en-suite bathroom. The kitchen is fully equipped. A coffee maker is available in the rooms as well. There is a beautiful fireplace in the living area, air conditioning round the villa, board games, television, and Wi-Fi, of course. There is a huge swimming pool and outdoor lounge with sitting and dining area available. Complimentary services are available, like complimentary valet parking services, babysitting services, and there are also airport shuttles available. For children, there is a portable bed, linens, diaper pail, baby bathtub, bed rails, baby bottle warmers, and sterilizers. There is also a private chef and server included. This is the best place to visit with family and friends, especially for getaways and bonding experiences. Private Reserve, Maldives. This is the world's most ultimate overwater villa, which is 18,000 square foot thatched villa built entirely from a postcard perfect lagoon. It is a 9-bedroom property, including a master bedroom with pool, open-air bathtub and shower, and sunken sala accessible by bridge and water slide. The playfully deserted island mansion comes complete with palm frond roofs, woven ropes, and tree branch banister. The mega villa's central living area features an open-air, open-plan design, with ample space and seating options including 2 massive circular sectional sofas suspended over the dazzling lagoon. The private reserve can easily accommodate gatherings of 20 people or more. Based in total seclusion from the rest of the luxury resort, 1,000 feet away from the nearest villa, the private reserve is only accessible by boat, which is given to guests for their own use around Gili Lacanfunshi or driven by personal butlers. The water is crystal clear turquoise. Dolphins are also visible at sunset. There is an amazing sunken dining area. There is an infinity pool on the upper sun deck with enhanced Bose sound system, 2 en-suite master bedrooms with king-size beds. Semi-open-air private bathroom with tub and separated glass wall shower area are also included and secluded by ocean access only. On the 2nd level, there are 2 en-suite guest rooms. The living area includes a workstation equipped with a laptop and printer. 1 rooftop terrace is comprised of a daybed and 2 outdoor dining pavilions. There are private indoor and outdoor relaxation areas with direct ocean access. A large, central open-plan living area with direct access to the sea garden. There's a natural coral pool surrounded by crystal clear water in the lagoon. There are sea-level sun decks with sun loungers and a catamaran net that offers direct access into the clear coral gardens with amazing marine life. There's also a private couple spa, complete with sauna, steam room, and indoor and outdoor treatment in the pavilion. Cap Martin Villa, Monaco. Perched on its own parkland on the hills atop of Monte Carlo, the substantial Villa Grace has panoramic views over the Principality of Monaco, the Bay of Roquebrune Cap Martin, and the Mediterranean Sea. Villa Grace is decorated with an elegant touch and classic furnishings that Al Pacino would be proud of. It was home to acclaimed fashion designer Karl Lagerfelder's for 10 years. It offers a serene and romantic feel with its beautiful furnishings, modern amenities, and commanding sea views. The villa is made up of the main house, the guest house, and a guest studio. The main house offers 3 en-suite bedrooms, a fully fitted kitchen, dining, and living area. The villa has 9 bedrooms, each with king-size beds en suite. The rooms are fully furnished with beautiful decor. The guest house is accessed via the gardens and offers 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, 2 living rooms, and a fully furnished modern kitchen. It has a heated pool for midnight swims. It also has a garden where you can have drinks at sunset, and the home is suited for any occasion, including throwing lavish reception parties. The villa provides the rooms with best views of the beach. There's free parking, free Wi-Fi, and non-smoking rooms available. The airport shuttle also is available as well. You should visit these places because they are the ultimate getaway spots. If you have an important event like a wedding, honeymoon, team building, or just a family getaway, these villas are the spectacular spots of the world that you should go see. If you liked the video, do not forget to give us a thumbs up and leave a comment below on which of these villas you would like to visit.